Viewers, now let's shift our focus to Maharashtra, where amid the suspense and speculations over the Maharashtra Chief Minister phase, CM Eknath Shinde has appealed the party cadres on X, the social media platform, that I am deeply grateful for your love. But I appeal that no one should come together in my support in such a manner. He further said, it is my humble request that Shiv Sena workers should not assemble at the Varsha Nivas or anywhere else. Now, amid the suspense over who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra, CM Eknath Shinde has appealed to the people not to gather at his Varsha bungalow. He has made this appeal. He has appealed to his party workers of the Shiv Sena also to not gather. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleagues Soumya and Akhil, who are joining us live from Mumbai. Firstly, Soumya, just take us through what's happening out there following the post that Eknath Shinde has posted on the platform media social X, really. What's happening there?
Yes, well, it's important to understand that on one hand, we have a chorus in the BJP supporting the name of Devendra Fadnavis as the chief ministerial face after the thumping victory that Mahayuti was able to secure on 23rd of November. And at the same time, we also saw yesterday Ajit Pawar's faction, NCP, supporting and backing Devendra Fadnavis's name for the chief ministerial post as well. On the other hand, we have Shiv Sena faction led by Shinde. In that faction, the leaders, the spokespersons, the ministers who had held the cabinet post in the last term are continuously asking for Chief Minister Eknath Shinde to continue as the Chief Minister in this new term as well. So which is why people are on this view that they want to come out in support of Eknath Shinde to be the chief ministerial face, after which this tweet was put out by the chief minister. Back to you.
Akhil, now just take us through, because as we learned from sources that most of the party factions are sort of supporting Devendra Fadnavis. He seems to be the front runner at this point at least. What are you learning on the ground?
Well, absolutely. If you see what we have been witnessing earlier, even pre-election scenario, if you just go by, what we have been witnessing, that there was a chorus in among the BJP leaders, and there have been multiple issues in the party. And at that point in time, BJP leaders, senior leaders, have been seen on saying that this time we need to support the alliance. So they have continuously supported the dharma of alliance. And now, as the election is over, Mahayuti has got a clear mandate. And this point, at this point in time, Eknath Shinde has come out in front, and he has tweeted saying that as a part of the bigger alliance, we need to come together, and is the High Command who is going to decide that who is going to be the next chief minister. So that's why he has appealed that no one should come out in that manner, or if you talk about his official residence, which is Varsha Nivas. So he's requested his followers, his party workers, Shinde Sena faction party workers, not to come at his residence. So there is a broad consensus among Shinde Sena members that Eknath Shinde should continue as the chief minister. But if you talk to any BJP leader, they are suggesting that it would be really great if Devendra Fadnavis is going to be the next chief minister. So it's a high command in the BJP that is going to decide that who will be the next chief minister, whether it's going to be Devendra Fadnavis or whether it's going to be someone else. So for that, we'll have to wait and watch.
Thank you, Akhil and Soumya, for this inputs coming in from Mumbai, where the focus is on Maharashtra's next chief minister. Now, staying on Maharashtra, really, the state government has also reinstated Rashmi Shukla as the next DGP.